Are you looking for that large 2,000 square foot home that has all of the conveniences of a condo but still feels like your house? Well, I'm Christine Kopr with Sotheby's Realty in Vancouver, BC, and I'm proud to present this beautiful 2,000 square foot, 2-bedroom home, steps from Granville Island. This property has 2 bedrooms, however, it also has a recreation room downstairs that could potentially be converted into a 3rd bedroom if you require that space. It has a beautiful and timeless renovation with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a great open kitchen and dining area. You'll also find over 300 square feet of outdoor space, a large private patio for your landscaping, as well as an opportunity to have that evening glass of wine. There'll be steps to Granville Island, False Creek, and everything that Vancouver has to offer, plus resort amenities in your building, such as a heated pool, sauna, hot tub, library, meeting room, wine club, racquetball court, and even a golfing tee when you want to practice your swing in the off season. Come and take a look at this spectacular home and see what it would be like living on Vancouver's iconic seawall.